Alright, it's that time of month again. It's that time for brand new Jolly Kiddie Meal toys. These are the toys for April of 2019. And these are... This is the full set of Jolly Kiddie Meal toys. These are Looney Tunes. Looney Tunes Jolly Kiddie Meal toys. So there are 6 to collect, so I got all 6. This is the full set that you're gonna be seeing today, and I hope that this video helps you decide if you want to pick up any of these or all of these. So we're gonna get right into the unboxing and show you how they look. So why don't we start off with the first of the Looney Tunes Fun Squad. It's called Looney Tunes Fun Squad. This is Bugs Bunny. So probably, you know, everyone's gonna want Bugs Bunny. So here's Bugs Bunny. Bugs Bunny comes with this skateboard thing. And here is what Bugs Bunny looks like. There you go. The plastic is kind of soft and rubbery, so you can, you know, it can bend. It's a soft rubbery plastic. But yeah, so then he's got pegs in his feet that go in here, just like that. Now he's riding, and then it comes with this, which I believe is a shooter. So you put it in the back like that. And then let's see how he's gonna go. So here he goes. Just like that. So he doesn't go very far, but yep, that's what these do. So that's Bugs Bunny. Let's go into the next one. We've got, oh my gosh. Let's go into the next one. We've got Marvin the Martian. This one actually feels pretty heavy. So here is Marvin the Martian, and he's only half body, and he's got a gun, because you're gonna put him in here like that. So now he's riding this, and I believe it's like a top, because you're gonna get this, run it through here. Now watch what happens when we pull this, like that, and then just, okay, that didn't work. Okay, so he's got like this stand that you have to remove so that it can actually spin, so don't forget to remove that. So let's try that one more time. Here it comes. Pull that and then just drop him down. There he goes, Marvin the Martian spinning top. Alright, that's enough. So that is Marvin the Martian. Pretty cool that he comes with a stand so that, you know, it can stand more properly. Alright, next one. Shall we get into the next one? This is Tweety Bird. Tweety Bird, alright. That is Tweety Bird inside a cage. Like that. That is the cage. And then basically, all you're gonna do is press this button on top, and Tweety is gonna move like that. So it's like a swing. Tweety on a swing set, just like that. So that's Tweety. Next one we've got, this is Sylvester. Sylvester. So right here is Sylvester, there he is. He's on a spring. So he's on a spring, and at the bottom is a suction cup. So what you're supposed to do is put him on a table, push him down until the suction cup attaches to the table, and then let go, and then it's gonna jump just like that. So one more time. There we go. So we jumped pretty high. If it's probably a surface that's smoother, that a suction can hold on to better, it would really stick down firmly, and then once it slowly releases, he'll eventually jump and spring really high. That's actually pretty cool. That is Sylvester. Alright, next up we've got Daffy Duck. Daffy Duck, and he comes with a rocket. So he comes with a rocket. You're supposed to make him ride it like that. Like that. It's kind of awkward, you know. That's where the peg is. Kind of awkward, but that's where Daffy rides. And then basically you're gonna push him forward until he bumps the wall, and when this hits, he's gonna spring up high. So let's suppose he's moving, and he hits this, and that was anticlimactic. One more time, let's try it again. So he's driving, he hits this, and okay, so that's basically it. He just kind of falls off, it pops, but not really that high. Not like Sylvester. Sylvester really jumps high. Let's try this one more time. Yeah, so this one's kind of a bit lame, you know, he doesn't really pop up very high. But anyway, that's Daffy Duck. Let's get into the last one, which is Taz. Taz, let's see what Taz does. I'm betting he does like a spinning action. What does he do? First of all, here he is. There's Taz. It's a really nice mold. He's actually pretty heavy. He's not as soft plastic as the other ones. But what Taz does is you're gonna squeeze his legs and... yeah, so you just press it once and he spins around like that. There we go. So that's Taz, spinning motion. That looks really nice. So that is it. That is all 6 Looney Tunes Fun Squad kiddie meals from Jollibee. Again, there is Bugs Bunny, Sylvester, Tweety, Marvin the Martian, Daffy Duck, and of course Taz. So these are the 6 that you can collect. I hope that you enjoyed this video and I hope you found it helpful, helping you decide if you want to pick up any of these or all of these. Again, I do a lot of reviews of kiddie meal toys and Happy Meal toys, so if you want to see more of that kind of stuff, consider subscribing to this channel. Again, if you want to see last month's Jolly Kiddie Meal unboxing, you can click or tap the screen right over here. And if you want to see another unboxing you may enjoy, click or tap the screen over here. And as always, I will see you back here next time as I continue to unbox everything.